What's up, my Zillas? If you're trying to get some shine out of your bike with some added protection to your paint, stay tuned because you're not going to want to miss this. Boom, and just like that, we got the Grom cleaned up. Ended up using a leaf blower to dry off the bike. It saves a lot more time and, you know, less chance of you scratching the paint. All right, so let's get clean. So the clay bar, you're gonna want to do this in the shade. So that's why I'm bringing it inside the garage right now. I'm using McGuire's clay kit when I did it to my GTR. So this stuff actually works wonders. You're first gonna wanna spray the quick detailer onto the surface and lightly glide the clay bar over the paint. Wipe off any excess residue. If you feel your clay bar getting stuck to the paint, make sure you spray a little more detailer on there. But if you also feel it kind of get rough, it's because you probably need to flip over the clay bar because there's too much debris on it as well. If you're looking for an affordable ceramic coating, this is the one to go with. I got this off Amazon. If you're interested in purchasing this, make sure you just click the link down below. It works just as good as the very expensive ones. So in this box, it comes with the ceramic coating sealant, the sponge applicator, and it also comes with some type of sheets that you wrap around this, but you can use a microfiber suede type in its place. So you're gonna wanna shake this very well, and it doesn't need very much. You're gonna wanna apply it in a cross hatch motion. Up and down, and side to side. So you want to work in small sections because I think after about 30 seconds it starts to harden. So you want to wipe off the excess sealant using you want to use a high quality microfiber towel. Ideally you would want to polish before you apply the ceramic coating to remove any swirl marks or any scratches that are on the clear coat, and it kind of helps with giving a brighter shine after you apply the ceramic coating. But since this bike is fairly new, there's no scratches on this or no swirl marks. You're gonna want to leave the bike inside the garage for a couple days so it cures and so it doesn't get any, rain or water or anything on it. But it's night and day. She's shiny as hell. I don't know if you can tell by the video, but the pearls are just sparkling. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And please help support the channel by subscribing. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of spring, and every subscriber counts. Leave a comment down below, and I'll just catch you guys on the next one. Peace, Zillas.